Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 2096, that is step-by-step directions from binary tree node to another. And in this we'll be given the root of binary tree with n nodes. Each node is uniquely assigned a value from 1 to n, and we'll also be given an integer n start value representing the value of start node s, and a different integer destination value representing the value of the destination node. And we have to find the shortest path starting from the node s and ending at node t, and we have to generate step-by-step directions of such path as a string consisting of only the uppercase letters L, R, and U, where each letter indicates a specific direction, where L means left, means we have to go from a node to its left child, R means we have to go from a node to its right child node, and U means we have to go from a node to its parent node, like means up basically. And we have to return the step-by-step direction of the shortest path from node S to node T. For example, we are having the start value as 3 and destination value is 6 in this particular binary node, so the path will be up, then right, and then left. Okay, so it's kind of a lowest common thing, and we'll be using that only to find the path, as it is obvious that the path will be lying between that. So firstly, let's have a string builder. Let's call it start path. We'll be finding a starting node that will be equal to a new string builder, and similarly we'll be having a destination path. This will also be, we'll be finding both of these. So let's have find path as a function. In this we'll be passing the root, the start value, and my start path. Okay, similarly we'll be calling the function for the destination path as well. Find path root with destination value and my destination path. Okay, so when we'll be finding both of these, we can from the moment we'll find that the values are changing, we'll just cut it off from that particular. In both the string builders we'll be iterating by using to pointer, and from till the point at same we'll remove those, like we'll substring up to that part because it's a common part in both of these, so that will be a longest path. Okay, and then let's first quickly write this function, that is find path private boolean find path, and this is a boolean function because we might find the node or not. Okay, so let's have tree node root my start value, so let's keep it start only, and string builder sp. Okay, it's going to be a naming convention as well. Okay, and then I'll be checking that if node is equal to null, I'll be returning a false, that I haven't find the node. Then what I'll be checking is that if node dot value is equal to my let's keep it val, because it's not obvious that it's will start always. So if node dot val is equal to val, I'll be returning it true. Okay, now what we'll be doing, I'll be appending left, like we'll be checking for the left subtree first, path dot append L, and then I'll be calling the function that if find path it gives me true, that with the root comma root dot left, left my value and my sb. In that case I'll return true, otherwise I'll do a backtracking, that sb dot delete char at sb dot length -1, and then I'll call it for the right subtree sb dot append. In this case I'll have to append right. Okay, and then again if find path gives me true, if find path root dot right comma value comma string builder, in that case I'll return true. Okay, else I delete it again, so let's just copy this, and at the end I'll have to return a false, return false. Okay, now let's come back to this. Now we know we have the paths from both of the nodes, to both the nodes. Now we'll be having a string builder, let's call it answer, that is currently a new string builder. And then let's have a variable common path, which is of type int, because we'll be keeping the track of the length. Int common path length, that is initially 0. Okay, now while it's like a pointer only, common path length is less than start path dot length, and common path dot common path length is less than destination path dot length, and we are having the equal characters. And start path dot char at common path. I guess I'll just shift this to the next line. Yeah, common path length is equal to destination path dot char at common path length. I'll be doing a common path length plus plus. Sorry about that. I'll be not writing this again. I'll just copy paste. Yeah, common path length plus plus. Okay, now we have the common path, and what we'll be doing is in the answer string we'll be appending a u, because up to that point we need to append a u. But for int I equal to 0, I less than start path dot length minus the common path length. I'll have to append a u, because in that case I know that I'll be going up only. So I'll do answer dot append a u. I guess it's answer. Yeah, it's answer only. Answer dot append u. Okay. Now what I'll be doing is that for int I equal to common path length, where I is less than destination path length, path or dot length, I'm doing I plus plus, and I'll be appending the character at that particular position. Okay. So answer dot append destination path dot char at I. Okay, and at the end I'll just return answer to string. And now let's give it a run. If root equal to null, root. Now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.